What up guys, Miguel here from Yigatech, and today we're taking a look at the HUAWEI Band 10, the latest addition to Huawei's lineup of smart wearables. In contrast to something like the Huawei Watch GT and Watch Fit series, the Band series has always been the more no-frills, just business fitness band from the brand. This iteration offers a nice clean design, the latest health tracking features they could add to the smaller form factor, and AI-powered workout insights. With a new aluminum alloy case like we have in this unit, customizable widgets, and improved sleep monitoring, Huawei pretty much gives as much of a smartwatch-like experience as they can in the form factor of a fitness band, which is the Band 10. So, without further ado, let's get into it. The HUAWEI Band 10 gets a new aluminum alloy case milled with CNC diamond cut technology that gives the overall case a nice shimmery satin finish. Scoring points for premium designing. It is the little things after all. Our unit is in the flagship green colorway, and depending on your eyes, it could be more of a yellow. This flagship colorway gets a gray titanium alloy mid-frame. The side button is also accented as the hero color, and we get a sporty open-hole strap for better sweat resistance. It's also available in a plethora of other colors, with the pink and black models cases being made out of reinforced polycarbonate materials. At just 8.99mm thin and weighing 15 grams or 14 grams depending on the case material, the Band 10 ensures a comfortable all-day wearing experience. The HUAWEI Band 10 features a 1.47-inch AMOLED display offering a sharp-looking interface and vibrant colors. Like almost any other Huawei smartwatch, we can choose from over 10,000 watch faces, all available through the Huawei Health app. Additionally, customizable widgets let users personalize shortcuts for quick access to key features. And with the success from the health features found in products like the Watch GT5, like I said earlier, Huawei's found a way to bake most of them into the smaller Band 10. An example of this is my personal favorite, sleep tracking. Measurements are HRV-based, meaning it tracks trends over 7 days to analyze stress, alcohol consumption, and other notable effects. Just remember to wear the band before going to bed. We also get nap recognition here, which Huawei claims gets a 97% detection accuracy. And just like the GT5 series, we get sleep apnea risk screening, which should detect any early signs of sleep breathing issues with the Huawei Watch Band 10. Also new in the Band 10 is the emotional well-being assistant that debuted with the GT5 Ultimate, featuring the cute panda watch face mascot, which is pretty quirky for quickly glancing how the watch interprets our moods and stress levels. Pulse wave arrhythmia analysis also makes its way to the Band 10, offering early alerts for AFib and premature heartbeat. The Huawei Band 10 also introduces some AI-powered fitness tracking, particularly for swimming and indoor running. We didn't get to try the AI swimming posture model, which is said to utilize the 9-axis sensor with 97.9% accuracy in posture recognition to help swimmers make sure their forms are on point. And we also get an AI-enhanced indoor running mode for improving pace and distance. Either way, like usual Huawei fashion, we get over 100 workout modes built in, which users can access without a paywall, cause nothing beats free. Although, beyond health and fitness tracking, the Band 10 includes some useful features like media control, which we get direct access to by swiping right from the watch face. This works with anything from music or even video playback for streaming apps like Netflix, and on this menu, you also get a quick view of the weather update, which is pretty sick. We can also locate our phones, whether it's a Huawei phone, Android, or iPhone, with a trigger on the watch, which we can find from the drop-down menu, so long as they are within the pairing distance. We also get notifications on the Band 10 for everything from emails and calendar events to messages and calls. And although the Band 10 does not get the ability to answer calls through the watch, we can reject them and send back an emoji or respond with templated quick replies, which we can also customize within the Huawei Health app. Gcash QR payments are also making their way to the Huawei Band 10. but at the time we recorded this video, we have yet to get it in our unit. But we have seen reports online of the scan-to-pay feature already in action. Like most Huawei smartwatches, battery life is another standout feature with the Band 10. We get up to 14 days on a single charge with typical use, 8 days under heavy usage, and 2 days of use with just a 5-minute charge, which is, again, pretty awesome in the smart wearable space, if you ask me. They're just simply the best, in our opinion, when it comes to smartwatch, or in this case, band battery life. In conclusion, the Huawei Band 10 should just about be the benchmark for fitness trackers in 2025 moving forward. It's loaded with nice workout features, some even AI-backed, a healthy amount of customization for users to play with, and industry-leading sleep and health tracking. With a premium lightweight design, interesting emotional well-being insights, and great battery life, it's an excellent companion for those seeking a feature-packed yet affordable smart wearable for workouts and general, everyday use. So, what do you guys think of the Huawei Band 10? Would you be interested in copying one for yourself? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been the Huawei Band 10. I'm Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.